In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-pager business plan slide in PowerPoint. This entire process is quick and simple, and you can have it done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're crafting this for a startup idea, a meeting presentation, or even a class project, a concise and well-structured business plan slide can effectively convey your message. Now let's walk through the steps to make this happen using Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. You can use this tool completely free, which is a fantastic resource for creating professional quality presentations without needing any additional software. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in using your Microsoft account. This step is crucial because signing in not only saves your work automatically to the cloud, but also allows easy access from any device connected to the internet. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the PowerPoint homepage. From this page, it's time to dive into your presentation by selecting the option to create or open a new presentation. Remember, starting with a fresh slate can sometimes be the best approach when creating something from scratch. Once you have your presentation open, the first design decision involves setting a clean grid layout. This is key for ensuring your business plan is not just visually appealing but also structured in a manner that's easy for audiences to follow. A clean grid lets you efficiently manage spacing and balance on your slide, giving prominence to important information. With your grid set, the next step is to determine how you'll organize your content. Typically, using 2 to 3 columns or blocks is an effective strategy here. This layout allows you to segment your information into digestible sections. Consider dividing your content into sections like business overview, market analysis, and financial projections, or any other relevant categories that suit your business plan. As you fill in these columns or blocks, it's important to keep the text concise. Aim for bullet points or short sentences. You want to get right to the point without overwhelming your audience. This clear segmentation ensures that the key points of your business plan are easily communicated and understood at a glance. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a one-pager business plan slide using PowerPoint for the web. Remember, a well-organized and visually engaging slide can make a significant difference in how your message is received. So make sure to review each section for clarity and impact. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.